Hello, Sat Shri Akal. Welcome to my channel Art by Harman Kaur, and this is Harmanpreet Kaur presenting to you. So this is my first review video on this channel. ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਸੋਚਿਆ ਪੋਸਟ ਕਰਕੇ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਆਡੀਅנס ਦਾ ਰਿਸਪੌਂਸ। ਇਹ ਹੌਟ ਗਲੂ ਗਨ ਮੈਂ ਲੋਕਲ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਤੋਂ ਲਈ ਸੀ for ₹200 ਓਨਲੀ ਐਂਡ ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ 2 glue sticks ਆਈਆਂ ਸੀ which were 11 mm in diameter. Is the wire would be around 1 meter long, which was good, and ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇੱਕ ਐਵੇਂ ਦਾ ਸਟੀਲ ਦਾ ਸਟੈਂਡ ਵੀ ਸੀ so that while you are using the gun you can keep it standing ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇਸ ਦੀ nozzle ਬਹੁਤ ਗਰਮ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ when it's on, and ਇਹਦੀ ਕੁਆਲਿਟੀ ਵੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗੀ and I liked this feature also. One more thing, ਹਰ ਇੱਕ glue gun ਲਈ ਉਹਦਾ ਇੱਕ specific size of glue stick ਹੁੰਦਾ ਆ. You can't use any larger or smaller size. Now beside all its features, let's see how good it works. So it took 1 minute to warm up, then we have to press the trigger and it squeezes out a liquid glue. A warning, do not touch the nozzle while it's warm. And on the scale of how effortlessly it works, I would like to rate it 8.5 out of 10. It dries out in seconds, and as you can see I'm using it on plastic. It does not have any side effect on it. So let's see how it works on cloth. So I had this project where I made sling bag and I had to attach patches on the cloth. By the way, full tutorial of my sling bag is already uploaded on my channel. You can check it out. And it worked very well on cloth also. So here are the things where you can use hot glue gun. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you soon in the next video. And please subscribe to my channel.